Hey everyone! Thanks for stopping by. In this video I will show you freeze frame clone effect using CapCut. Open CapCut. Start a new project and import your footage. After that, duplicate your clip. Click the clip, then find copy. Click overlay. Now you can adjust your clip below the original clip. Then click duplicate clip and find cutout, and then remove background. After it's done, now we can create our very first clone. Place your playhead where you want it. Now find freeze and click it. Then delete the unwanted clips. Adjust the clone clip. Find the moment where subject meets the clone. Then cut the clip right there. That's it. You are done. Continue this process until you are done.